Umdeni uthi wagcina ukubona indodana yawo mhla zingama-31 kuZibandlela nyakenye. Kwatholakala ukuthi uLerato owagcina kumfonela uma ebuzwa ukuthi ukuphi wathi akazi futhi yena usanda kushonela umyeni wakhe. Bathuka kakhulu ke uma betshela ukuthi uSithebe washonela endlini wangcwatshwa eUmahlangu.
It's more like we have found Sosiso, but yet we don't have Sosiso. It's more like a dead end, a circle that goes around that doesn't have any conclusion out of it.
It truly shows that they're not human. It's as if they are beasts. How do you do such a thing? Wasn't he good enough to live for his children?
uSithebeke ukhunjulwa kakhulu njengomuntu obenothando ethanda ukucula.
We've waited a year, 4 months and a couple of days for us to actually find out what happened to our brother. Now we still have to wait again so they can do whatever process that they need to do. How about they speed up the process of exhumation so that we can lay him to rest?
Umphakathi nawo uphazamisekile.
We were so traumatized from day one after we have get a set message that Sibusiso, he just disappeared.
uMahlangu ekuqaleni ekwakukholakala ekutheni washona emlilweni endlini waboshwa ngenyanga edlule emva kokumiswa amaphoyisa kusolwa ukuthi ushayela imoto eyebiwe eHammanskraal. Ekuboshweni kwakhe ke kwatholakala ukuthi usashona.
It is alleged that the two killed a man and burnt his body in their house in Soshanguve. Thereafter, it is further alleged that the wife obtained a fraudulent death certificate from the Department of Home Affairs, claiming that her husband had died in the fire, and later claimed life policies.
Lezi seyicala ukubulala, ukuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho kanye nokukhwabanisa. Zizophinde ke zivele enkantolo yemanje eSoshanguve mhla ziyishumi nesishiyagalombili kwephezulu.